Yes, as I'm seeing, vitamin B12 deficiency is more in people even not the ages, even everyone are getting. So may I know what is the main reason for that?
See, I cannot say this is the only particular reason for B12. There are n number of reasons for the B12 deficiency. One main reason would be definitely vegetarians or the vegan diet. The people who are on pure vegetarians or those are on pure vegan diets. That could be the main reason. Second reason is maybe the certain medications also can cause vitamin B12 deficiency, like antacids. People those who are post surgery, like if the stomach is removed, the intestine is removed, that can also be the reason. And also people with celiac diseases or Crohn's disease, in such cases also the B12 deficiency can happen. And also one main thing is B12 is only a water soluble vitamin. What you need to know is B12 is a water soluble vitamin, and the main enzyme required for the B12 absorption is intrinsic factor, which is produced in your intestine, parietal cells of your stomach. So, and also the HCl produced in your stomach, the hydrochloric acid, is mainly required for the B12 absorption. So, if HCl is not produced well enough, or if HCl is hampered in one or the other way, the B12 absorption cannot happen properly. And also, it's very important to limit the intake of caffeine or alcohol for that matter. If you are having a lot of caffeine, like coffee or tea, 3 to 4 cups of coffee in a day, even this can hamper the B12. And also, certain anemias, like pernicious anemia. If you're anemic, if your HB levels are not in the normal range, even this can hamper the B12 absorption.
So now we came to know what is the main cause of vitamin B12 deficiency. Now, a person at starting stage, how can he get recovered?
So, is the B12, for one person per day, normal healthy adult require 2.4 mcg, micrograms of B12 in a day. If he is not able to take it properly, or if the absorption is not happening properly, the best way to get B12 through diet sources are non-veg foods like chicken or mutton liver, your one whole egg boiled egg, or normal chicken meats or mutton meats, or your seafoods, like any kind of seafoods, the fishes, the crabs, everything. So you include a lot of non-veg in your diet. Doesn't mean you have to eat non-veg 3 times in your day. At least weekly, try about 4 times. You can include at least eggs. If not possible every day to include chicken or mutton liver or anything for that matter, include eggs every day in your diet. So that could be the best option. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, definitely I would say just with the vegetarian diet, it's not possible to correct B12. But only the one best thing you can do is, if you're a vegetarian or vegan, it's important to limit the alcohol consumption or caffeine consumption or any other soft drinks or the drinks or the marketed products which can harm your gut. So it's very important to limit such things. Yeah.
So now we came to know how non-vegetarian and vegetarian can do. One main question is if a person is vegetarian, we have heard about sea cod tablet, which is made of fish oil. So can a person consume that?
Definitely, fish oils are mainly of omega-3 fatty acids. I would not say even fish oils also have B12. I would not say it doesn't contain B12, but it is mainly composed of omega-3 fatty acids. And do not, if you see a report and if you have, in the report it's written like you have B12 deficiency, it doesn't mean you have to start taking the fish oil by yourself. Always consider a healthcare provider or your doctor or a physician. If it says then only, you can start consuming the other supplements.
So we got to know. Now, a person is very severe, like the vitamin B12 deficiency is more in a person. So how can he get recovered?
Definitely, diet is possible, but in severe cases of vitamin B12 deficiency, I would say diet alone cannot help. You can, if the severe deficiencies, then you can still have non-veg foods or the products, but I cannot say only the diet sources will help recover B12. It's very important to consult your physician, and physician might ask the patient or putting intramuscular B12 injections at least maybe daily once or 5 days once continuously. So that's something we can recover.
So presently now we came to know how we can recover through all the medications, with medications and without medications. So I request everyone to see your health and take care of your health so that it should not lead to any problematic situation.
So one take-home message that I can give you is your gut matters a lot. How you keep your gut health, that is very important. If you want your health to be fine, you need to take care of your gut. Include prebiotics, probiotics like curd, yogurt, prebiotics like onions, garlic in your diet properly in a limited consumption, so that even the B12 absorption is good. Thank you.
Thank you.